What I'm doing, you look at as if maybe I'm just joking, it's not, as if I'm playing. Something it plays, but I'm equally trying to learn how to video very properly so that maybe just like maybe if you're a star, you take it to your kitchen. You say today in our today episode, I'm going to bring you a very beautiful beauticians. I'm going to bring you a very beautiful beauticians in the house. You can see here. So we're going to teach you how to prepare. What do you call it? Call it fruit salad. Okay. Fruit salad. You can see her. She's preparing it. Slicing the onion. Sorry, what's that?
This can never be onions.
What's that?
This is pineapple.
Pineapple. Alright. Go ahead and tell us.
This is Queen's pineapple.
Queen's pineapple. From where? Is it from Nigeria or from where?
From Czechoslovakia.
What?
From Czechoslovakia.
I've not had this country before. I'm hearing it for the first time.
It's a foreign country.
It's a foreign country. Is it an African country or
Africa.
where?
Beyond the nation.
Beyond the nation. That's Australia. Is it beyond Australia?
Oh yeah. Exactly. You got it. Asia.
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 That word is in dictionary.
Sorry?
That word is it in the dictionary?
Oh yes. In Igbo dictionary.
Oh, Igbo dictionary. Asia. Meaning what?
Igbo. Exactly.
Are you not trying to confuse our brain? You seem not to understand.
You know, this is psychedelic work. I'm gonna cut my finger. I'm gonna cut my watermelon right now. Your phone is ringing, mister.
Forever.